So service-oriented architecture real time. First, I'm going to, Dataline is focused on providing information to DoD, DHS, and intelligence communities. So we looked at their requirements, things like information management, assurance, mobility, secure distributed networking, and said the cloud is perfect, but maybe not. Maybe we have to figure out exactly how to use the cloud for national security. So that's where SOAR came from. We looked at what the challenges were in developing cloud solutions and said, well, how can we address each one of these challenges and still handle the information assurance, the processes, NSA approval, DITS cap, DI cap, yada, 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 right? Because it's different. It's different. So, let's see. Basically what we did, we said, in the end, everyone is going to SOAR. So it's all about the services. Everything's going to be driven by different scenarios. As scenarios change, you want to change what services are going to be made available. Those services can come from public clouds, private clouds, DHS, DoD in this case. And in real time, you need to decide who gets the information. And by the way, you need to be able to extend your infrastructure in case you need more computing power, storage, and so forth, and still be able to retract and go back to a steady state. So we looked at a service-oriented architecture. We looked at the technologies that were available. We partnered with Apptis and Enterprise Application Fabric, Security First with Secure Parser technology, and CollabNet, because one thing you also need to do is be able to prove to the security managers that what you're doing is secure. There's a life cycle of management in applications. So you need to have an environment where you can manage that, have visibility, deploy, and by the way, you may want to use a DoD service in a DHS environment. So we're working with CollabNet to address all those issues. And that's the SOAR solution. We've worked with IBM, Google, Northrop Grumman, Great Circle Technology, Cisco, and others to put this together. We think it's very appropriate technology for the federal space as long as it's done right. But SOAR itself is a dynamic reference architecture. So all of you are invited to participate as we build, design, and enhance SOAR. I have a blog, the SOAR Wiki, and Federal Cloud Computing Wiki. We work and coordinate with the federal community. Brand Neiman manages that. So we look forward to continuing and working with you. Have a good day at CloudCamp. What's my time?